Welcome back. My name is Seabuckthorn with pinkwoolf. My wife and I co-founded pinkwoolf about 4 years ago. We focus on irritation-free shaving and skincare products for men. A lot of our journey is based on my own personal experiences of using a multi-cartridge razor, and in those times, this is many years ago. So I used a multi-cartridge razor and a shaving foam or a shaving gel, and then one of those splashes, lotions, aftershave, which necessarily had alcohol. This is about 15 years ago. So it led to a skin condition and so a lot of irritation, of course, razor burns as well. It led to a skin condition, and on my visit to a dermatologist, he basically asked me to step back in time and go back in history and start using wet traditional shaving methods, which is a shaving brush, a soap, or a cream, and much more non-alcoholic aftershaves and so on. So that over a period of time led to recovery of my skin, and everything was fine since then. But in the whole journey, I just fell in love with wet traditional shaving methods. And a few years later, after trying out and experimenting with a lot of high quality and mid quality and even really crappy products in the shaving world, we decided to launch pinkwoolf to be able to offer a lot of international quality, vegan as much as possible, natural or organic ingredients, shaving products for men in India. So today's video, we are going to focus on aftershaves and what happens when, how to apply aftershaves and what happens when we apply aftershaves. A lot of our customers, when they order, we find that they necessarily do order a pre-shave oil. They do order a shaving brush and a shaving cream or a soap, but the aftershave is not consistently ordered. So when we spoke to a few of our customers, we figured out that there are multiple reasons why they apply or don't apply in many cases the aftershaves. So let's go through different methods of applying aftershaves and how it helps you. So I think we have about 5 different methods of how to apply aftershaves and the different kinds. So let me walk you through one by one, all of them. So the first method is essentially, I have shaved, washed my skin, washed my face with cold water and wiped it down with a towel, and I can go. I can straight away go out. I don't need to apply any aftershave. That is a misnomer. A lot of men that I've spoken to, a lot of our customers that I've spoken to, they say that that's exactly what we do. We don't apply aftershave. We just wash the skin, wash the face, and just go after that. Okay, so that's you don't apply aftershave, that's a mistake. You don't apply anything after that, which is like a moisturizer, it's a deadly mistake. Your skin, gentlemen, is not a 100 meters dash. It's not that one day out of 7 days you can fix it and the other days it will automatically fix itself. No, it has to be maintained, sustained and preserved and moisturized on a daily basis, especially before you're about to leave the house. So the first method, as I said, is applying nothing. Just wash your face with cold water, wipe it down, tap it down with the towel, and then leave for work. Okay. The second method, which is fairly popular, even I have tried it and I actually loved it for many reasons. Okay. Now here's I hope you all know what this is. This is a piece of alum. It was a fairly big piece, fell, it broke. Obviously I couldn't put it together, so I use it for the aftershave sometimes as well. So the second method is applying alum, right? Now there are a few things you need to consider when applying alum. When I made the mistake several years ago of applying alum, number one, on moist skin, and number two, did not wipe it down after applying it and it just walked out. Now alum, what it does, it constricts your skin. It squeezes your skin completely. So it makes it very dry and very irritable after some time. It does a fantastic, it's probably one of the only things in the entire world which does a fantastic job of closing any nicks and cuts, okay, immediately, right? It'll give you an instant feedback. But the process of applying it was wrong, which I did many years ago. So I'm going to try and explain to you the right method. So bear with me, please. First one is wet the alum. Okay? And the second one is wet your skin too. Now you can apply alum. So slowly, just keep okay, so just keep applying alum, and I think it is done pretty good. If you can see that, the way we applied versus the way we haven't applied. So that's the first method. After applying, in a few seconds you will start getting feedback from your skin, and you can feel some sort of tingling going on in your skin, and that's basically the skin trying to close after the application of alum. So usually I would always recommend, once you've applied the alum, wet your face. After you have applied the alum, wet your face and gently tap it down. Do not try to vigorously tap it down. That's going to aggravate your skin even more. Okay? Once you have applied the alum, I would strongly recommend that you still apply a moisturizer on top of it. Now you can use any of the moisturizer that's available at home. Here I'm using Nivea cream as an example. So this is an all-purpose cream. All you need to do is take a small stab and okay. So because the alum has squeezed out pretty much all the moisture in your skin, your skin will become very dry. So in order to ensure that your skin is ready to face the outside world, pollution, dirt, AC environment, too hot environment, car travel, and so on, okay, you need to apply moisturizer. A little bit of moisturizer daily after alum, or even in the first step before you step out of the bathroom door, will go a long way to preserve your skin. That's a must. You have to do it, because if you don't, you are going to end up facing things like premature aging, or your skin being a very different color on this side versus the other side, or your skin being oily on one side and sensitive on the other side, and so on. So it just leads to a whole lot of different issues. Okay, so let's go to step number 3. Step number 3 is a splash. This is a product that we've been testing. We haven't released it as yet. It's a splash. It's a natural splash. It's made with the vegan ingredients. What we did was, instead of a splash bottle, we put it in a spray bottle. So you can either spray it directly on your face or in your hand. Okay, and then walk out. This splash that we are testing contains a bit of moisturizer as well, so there's no need to apply another layer of moisturizer on top. You can actually just apply this, spray it on your face, and just walk out. Don't spray it in your eyes and forehead. It won't work. Step number 4, or the fourth method of applying the aftershave. We have 3 distinct types of aftershaves that we sell at pinkwoolf. One is the first one is the aftershave gel. This is meant for normal to oily skin. The second one is the aftershave balm. This is meant for normal to sensitive skin. And the third one is the aftershave lotion. This is meant for normal to dry skin. Now the difference is that in the lotion we have put in an extra amount of shea butter, aloe vera, coconut butter and a few other essential oils which will help do away with your dryness over a period of time. It doesn't happen overnight, it takes a bit of time to get it done. In the aftershave balm, the way we have formulated is to ensure that even a sensitive skin, normal skin in all conditions will be fine with any of these three products, okay? But the sensitive skin, the balm is designed for the sensitive skin, and what it does is it ensures that the sensitivity of your face does not flare up. It controls it over a period of time. The aftershave gel has a bit of isopropyl alcohol as well. Very small, very little amount, and the reason it is there is because oily skin is more susceptible to cuts and nicks than sensitive, dry or normal skin, and therefore this is required a little bit of alum pieces and a little bit of isopropyl alcohol help close your skin after you shave and once you apply the aftershave gel that you have. So in today's case, I'm just going to, so basically the fourth method is you can apply an aftershave gel, an aftershave balm or an aftershave lotion, okay? Now I'm going to come to the fifth method, which is probably my favorite, and that's exactly what I do every day. So the fifth method, contrary to popular opinion and contrary to a lot of literature which says that you should always shave while in the shower because it opens up the follicles, etc., I have not met many men in India who do that. Okay, the usual way, which is about exactly what I do as well, is I will shave using warm hot water and then I'll go and take a bath. So when I shave, once I shave, immediately after the shave, I will use the aftershave balm. Okay, I have normal skin, so I'm just going to apply this, take a little bit of amount and squeeze it out only on the shaved areas. Okay, a little bit, right? Now so I've done the application of the aftershave balm, and now I'm going to go and take a shower, which will take another 10 minutes. Everything that I've applied is going to come off from your face. The reason I apply an aftershave immediately after shaving is because it helps moisturize the skin and it helps mollify the skin immediately. Don't wait for 10 minutes, 15 minutes and then apply the aftershave. Now once I've come out of the shower, now I want to go and to the office to meet someone or something else. Okay, now I'm going to apply the aftershave lotion. Okay, so just a little bit of the aftershave lotion, because it has a lot of moisturizing properties. I'm just going to use a little bit in the shaved areas, and because it acts like a moisturizer as well, I actually use it on the other non-shaved areas as well. If you're suffering from sensitive skin, oily skin or dry skin, one of the best things that can work for you is you apply the aftershave gel or the balm, go take a shower and then apply the lotion on top of it. And a lot of our customers actually, once we have told them the trick and to a long moisturized skin, they actually do that. Okay, so now I've applied the balm, then after a few minutes I've applied the aftershave lotion. Now this application is going to last me for the next 8 to 10 hours easily, okay, at least, right? And my skin will be fine, moisturized throughout the entire day. So the fifth method essentially is whatever you apply, whether it's the balm or the gel, Before you're about to step out or after you've taken a shower, apply the aftershave lotion on top of it. It acts as a moisturizing aftershave lotion. If you want to apply a little bit of sunscreen, by all means do that. Apply the sunscreen more towards the forehead, which will be exposed more to the sun, not so much down here, and a little bit on the cheek side. Of course, your arms, forearms, etc. have to be, if they're open, they have to be covered with sunscreen as well. So that's those are the 5 different methods of applying aftershave. Let's go through them one by one. The first one is you have shaved, you wash your face with clean cold water, and then you tab it dry, and then you walk out. The second one is you use alum to apply. Wet the alum, wet your skin, and then apply. Wait for a few seconds, ideally about 30 seconds for the alum to take effect, and then wash your face with cold water, tap it dry, and then walk out. At the end of that, I would still suggest that if you have a moisturizing cream at home, use that. Or if you don't have that, use one of our aftershave lotion, which is also a moisturizing aftershave lotion. The third step is the aftershave splash, which is in a spray bottle that we are testing, but there are several splashes available in the market. You can try any one of them. The fourth one is, depending on your skin type, whether it's normal sensitive, then you use the balm. If it's normal dry, you will use the aftershave lotion. If it's normal oily, then you will use the aftershave gel. Apply that and you're done. You can walk out. The fifth method that usually works for me and for a lot of our customers is that you apply the first level after you shave. You apply whichever one, balm, balm, lotion or gel, and then go take a shower. Once you come out, then you apply the aftershave lotion on top of it, and then you walk out. That helps preserve your skin, keeps it moisturized, keeps it nurtured, and for the next 8 to 10 hours, maybe more sometimes, depending on the environment you're in, your skin will feel top class. Of course, you have also enjoyed a smooth shave at the before that. Okay, so that's all that we have on different methods of applying aftershave. I hope this has been a useful video for you. If you have any comments, by all means, please let us know at the bottom, so your feedback. We look forward to your feedback in any case, and do share this video with your friend. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos on shaving and skincare, and we look forward to welcome you to pinkwoolf.com. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Thank you so much for your time.